run into the fridge, he'll fall off the ice rink. And the game is finished.
Darn you, ruler!
Hey, Frisbee, look at this giant tree. Maybe there's presents in it.
Good thinking, Fridge. In fact, there's probably loads of presents in there.
Okay, guys, good news and bad news. The good news is that there are presents in the tree.
Yes! How many?
That's the bad news. Only one present.
Are you kidding me? Come on, Fridge, let's go! Get out of that tree!
I'm trying.
Woo! My toe!
Darn you, ruler!
Oh!
Ho 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 ho. Face my wrath.
I guess we'll see what happens. What? No! How is a chocolate ball gonna help me?
Oh no, I'm definitely allergic to chocolate.
Vote for one of the members on Biter's team to be eliminated. Voting ends on May 9th. The next episode will come out in late May. See you next episode.
I need you to go away!
And the last person safe is... Binder with 9 votes. Fridge, you've been eliminated with 16.
What? No!
Ha!
Why?
Go away.